Alright, this is Nodechain Network. In today's video, I'll be guiding us on how to register the Nodechain Network and also connect your node so as to mine effectively on the project. Alright, this is a blockchain system that gathers unused internet bandwidth through decentralized network from users globally. Alright, so this is their X account. You can follow them, Nodechain X. Alright, to explore more. It's a new project and soon many influencers will be sharing this post. Alright, so I just wanted to jump into it and accumulate as much as possible before the wait comes very heavier. Alright, so it's actually a Telegram project. If you have Telegram, then you are good to go. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link for you to register, but I'll give us a step-by-step guide on how to register. So let's go. So once you click on the link, it will take you to Telegram. This is your Telegram account. You can connect your wallet. Right, it's coming to Ton blockchain. So we know that any project that is coming now, due to the announcement that has been made by the roof, that any project that will not be listed on Telegram shouldn't even dare to come to the platform. All right, and the old ones, he actually gave them the end of February. If they didn't launch, he's going to disconnect them from Telegram services. All right, so you just go ahead, click on the task section, complete all the tasks. It has a daily login. Make sure you do your daily login, and also this is how it works. You do your daily login, and for the leaderboard is already updated. You can see your current level. This is my current level. All right, this is the node. This is the node. I'm going to teach us on how to connect our node. All right, so for now, let's go. This is our friend. This is where you get your friend list, and this is the airdrop criteria for eligibility. So for you to be eligible, these are the things you need to do. These are the things you need to do. We have connected our wallet already. Now it's time to refer our friends. Also try to refer your friends, and make sure you are subscribed to their Telegram handle and X handle, and also connecting your node. This is very important. That's why it's a node project. So right now, this is the roadmap. Right, this is the roadmap. So currently we are on Nodechain. So the chain just that's season 0. So you are very early on this project. So I believe there will be season 1, there will be season 2. Distribution, airdrop allocation and distribution is still this very quarter, so it should be before the end of March. So you just have just 1 month to farm this project. And also you can see exchange listing is still this very first quarter. All right, for season 1 airdrop, that's season 0 to season 1 airdrop. As you can see it, ecosystem expansion and partnership, second quarter of 2025. So make sure you take this project very serious. In just 1 month time, you're going to have a massive cash out on the project. All right, so for the node connection, this is how you go about the connection. You click on connect. All right, so you can see my network is connected, and I have 70%. So yours will show depending on the quality of your network. All right, so that's it. And that's that for that about the project. So if you are just following for the first time, please do well to like, also share the video, subscribe to this channel. That's Web3 Simplified. Subscribe to us so that, and also turn on the notification bell in case we drop any subsequent update in regards to this project or any alpha project. We will be among the first few that will be notified. Thank you.